Is Google Chrome loading pages slowly or freezing? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. Step 1. Clear cache and cookies. Open a Chrome, click the three dots, Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then click Clear Data. This removes old data that can slow down pages. Step 2. Disable extensions. Type Chrome//extensions in the address bar. Turn off all extensions, especially ad blockers or VPNs. Reload the page to see if it works faster. Step 3. Update Chrome. Click the three dots, Help, About Google Chrome. If an update is available, Chrome will download it automatically. Click Relaunch after the update. Step 4. Enable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, System. Turn Use Hardware Acceleration when available on. Restart Chrome to apply changes. Step 5. Reset Chrome settings. If the problem persists, go to Settings, Advanced, Reset and Clean Up. Restore settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. This fixes configuration issues without deleting bookmarks or passwords. That's it. Chrome should now load pages faster and stop freezing. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.